Right, we shall start trigonometry today. I'm sharing the screen. I'll give you the introduction briefing. Just check it out. Tomorrow we shall do some objective. Right. So trigonometry. Right. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
All right. Trigonometry, the word itself says the meaning of the chapter. We can divide into three parts. Trigonon and metry. So three angle measurement. What can you say about three angle measurement? Trigonon metron. Three.
Yes, sir.
Where we can see three angles in geometry?
In a triangle, sir.
Very good. In a triangle. That means we learn about the triangles, the two right angle triangles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Trigonometry deals with angles, sides of a triangle.
Yes, sir.
This is the branch of mathematics. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And first, let's see some right angle triangle properties. Based according to sides and according to angles, we do have 6 types, no? Totally. So according to sides, equilateral. Tell me please, equilateral,
Isosceles.
isosceles, scalene. No?
Yeah. Yes,
And
sir.
according to angles, right angle, acute,
Rectangle, acute,
obtuse.
obtuse.
So among all this, we will take for right angle triangle.
Yes, sir.
Let's take the right angle triangle. In this we don't have symbols. Right. Yeah, here we have. We don't have right angles. I'm trying to draw the right angle triangle.
Yes, sir.
That's right. Here is the right angle triangle. I will name it as A, B, C. And this is 90 degrees. We know very well.
Yes,
And in right angle triangle, longest side is called hypotenuse. Okay. Hypotenuse.
Okay, sir.
And we have to give names for these two sides. So in right angle triangle, one angle is the 90 degrees. Okay, no? The other two angles
Yes.
total should be 90. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That means these two angles both are less than 90. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Maybe they are 30, 60, 45, 45, or 40, 50. Like that we can say.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have to give a name for here. These are, thank you. These are acute angles. These are acute angles, right? So these acute angle in trigonometry called as theta. 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 This is a Greek word, right? Generally, we will say
Yes, sir.
angle, and here I am taking C as theta, which is acute angle. Okay, now
Yes.
right angle is separate and acute angle is separate. So we don't define the sides in right angle triangle according to the right angle, 90 degrees. We have to define according to theta, according to acute, either C or A.
Yes, sir. A also theta, sir.
A also theta. But only one can be considered theta. A will be like 90 minus theta. Because total should be 90 now.
Yes, sir.
Like that. So with respect to C, I'm defining now. This one is opposite, so that this is the opposite side. This is the opposite side, and this one base one is adjacent side. Adjacent side. Okay, and obviously the long one is hypotenuse. Suppose if I take with respect to A, what is going to happen? I will see. If I take A is the theta, if I consider A is acute angle, then this is the opposite. BC is the opposite side.
Yes, sir.
Opposite side, and AB is the adjacent. ADJ, we will write shortcuts, and obviously AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
always AC will be the hypotenuse, either A or C acute. So these are the names of the sides. Next, properties. We have to see some properties. What is the
Sir,
property?
only acute angles we call theta, sir.
No, only acute angle. We have to take the theta. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
Next, let's see a property of right angle triangle. This one we know in our earlier classes. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. This one you know. Suppose
Yes,
if I
sir.
take it as 5, if I take it as 3, if I take it as 4, 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16, 25 equal to 25. The right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. This is the first rule we have to learn. And in trigonometry, based on this, we have to find, like they will give you like this. The diagram, we have to find AB. We have to find AB means AC is there 5, AB we don't know. BC is 4. This is 25. This is AB square. This is 16. Transpose 16, you will get 9. AB square is equal to 9. AB is equal to under root 9. We will get positive root. So AB value 3 got
Yes,
no.
sir.
Suppose sometimes BC is missed. AC is 5. AB is given as 3. And BC is not there. So 25 is equal to 9 plus BC square. BC square is equal to 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. BC is equal to under root 16 is equal to 4. You got no? And the third one, AC you want to find AC.
Yes, sir.
AC you don't know, you have to find AC now. AB value is 3, BC value is 4. 9 plus 16 is
25.
25. Is 5.
Yes, sir.
You observe carefully. Here some logic I will tell you. Yes, just scroll up. If you want AC, if you want AB, if you want BC, okay. AC if you want, you have to do sum of the squares. AB you want big one square minus small one square. Observe the calculations. See what I did here, subtraction only, no?
Yes, sir.
Here also subtraction only, no? But here what I did?
Yes, sir. 25
yes.
minus squares.
In two cases we did subtraction, in one case we did addition. That means if you want longest side, just add these smallest two sides. If you want any one of the smallest side, subtract from the longest side. Okay,
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
like that. So like, did you understand this concept? This is the basic concept in trigonometry.
Yes, sir.
First one. Now we'll go to the second concept. I will off the video. Please take the screenshot. Take
Yes,
the
sir.
screenshot.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now
Yes, sir. Taken, sir.
I'm scrolling up. Now, second basic concept in trigonometry. Right angle triangle over. Next, we go for trigonometric ratios. So I'm giving the name ratio, trigonometric ratio. Ratio means what? It is like A is to B, B is to C. Like it only will be, no?
Yes,
Ratio
sir.
means, so trigonometry depends upon 6 ratios. Defined on 6 ratios. They are called sine theta. Shortcuts I'm writing. Full forms I will tell you. Cos theta, tan theta,
Yes, sir.
cosec theta, sec, secant theta, cot theta. The first 3 are basic ratios. Next 3 are inverse reciprocals of the first 3. The sine full form SINE is sine theta. So how to define? I will explain you. Don't worry. Cos
Yes, sir.
theta, cosine full form, but we don't write cosine. Shortcuts we'll use. Tan theta, tangent theta, and cosecant, and secant, cotangent. These are the original names. So why do we call these are basic ratios and these are reciprocals? Let us see now. This is trigonometry defined upon
Yes,
all
sir.
these 6 trigonometric ratios. Now let's define these ratios. We do have some similar triangle activity, but we don't do that now. Just briefly we will go. There is a similar triangle activity which is called, it will be like this. We can take the sides like this, and some perpendiculars we have to take. Okay. Then we'll take here A, B, C, the biggest triangle, and here D, E, F, G, H, I. Here, if you see the small triangle and this big triangle, and just mark with yellow color, this big triangle and this small triangle. Okay, no? Big triangle and small triangle.
Yes, sir.
This is the small triangle with green color. These two triangles are similar. So likewise, this second one, this is also similar. This third one. So that based on the big triangle, we have small triangles here. The big triangle ABC and small triangle, what I wrote, ADE and AFG and AHI.
Yes, sir.
These are similar. Why they are similar? Similar means they should have some common property. Like here, angle A is common. Angle A is common in all.
Yes, sir.
And one angle is the 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. See?
Yes, sir.
So one angle is 90 degrees and another angle is equal. So that they can say by A similarity, angle similarity, all these triangles are similar. Similar symbol like this, like this. So in similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. That is the rule we have. Okay. So
Yes,
here
sir.
we'll take some corresponding sides like this. I'll open right. Here ABC. Sides are different. D, F, G, H, I. First, we will take the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse in all the similar triangles. Here, the big triangle opposite side is BC, and that hypotenuse is this, AC. And the small triangle opposite is DE, according to A, and hypotenuse is AE. And the next, this one, GF by AG. So if you take these lengths and all, we will get same ratio. Same ratio means maybe like 3 by
Yes, sir.
4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, like this we will get. That means all the ratio is constant. What ratio is constant? The ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. The ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse is constant in all the similar triangles. So this constant ratio, we are giving a name sine theta. That's all. Okay, now? Okay. From
Yes,
these
sir.
similar triangles, this constant ratio, we are giving the name as sine theta. And then we define it furtherly. Sine theta is equal in a right angle triangle opposite to the acute angle, opposite side, the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. This is the definition. Suppose if I take this triangle like this, A, B, C, B is 90 degrees, A is acute angle. And what is the opposite side here? BC is
C.
the opposite side.
BCS, sir.
This is the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. Now we get here BC by AC. This is the definition of sine theta. Somebody asks that what is the sine theta, cos theta, tan theta? They will ask. So sine theta is defined as a ratio from the right angle triangle. The side which is opposite to the acute angle and hypotenuse ratio is called sine theta. The ratio
Yes,
of opposite side and hypotenuse is called sine theta. So that ratio, we are giving a particular name. Your name is Akansh, your brother name is what is that?
Avinash.
Yeah.
Avinash.
We are giving the names like that. So here the per ratio, we gave a name like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what we call it as trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir. So
second ratio.
we are taking that opposite side and opposite side with the corresponding to right angle, sir. Like point
Corresponding
B,
to acute angle.
acute angle. Yes,
Here acute angle, what I took? A.
yes, sir.
You know, this is the opposite. Like that. Always not right angle. According to the acute angle only. Right angle is like right angle. That's all. We don't use
Yes,
the right
sir.
angle. We depend upon the acute angle only. With reference to acute angle, we have to define. Okay. Here
Sir, in
3, 4.
isosceles triangle, what is hypotenuse, sir?
Isosceles, we can't say hypotenuse because only right angle triangle we have the hypotenuse. That's what trigonometry
Yes, sir.
deals with, only hypotenuse, right angle triangles. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Only right angle triangle we can name this hypotenuse opposite adjacent, and other triangles we can't name them. Equilateral triangle,
Yes,
will say all the sides are equal.
Yes, sir.
And here I will write 3 by 4. And cos theta also defined as the constant ratio adjacent side and hypotenuse. The ratio of adjacent side and hypotenuse is constant in all the similar triangles. That is 4 by 5. So this is fixed. So A plus B whole square formula you will learn, no?
Yes, sir.
Will it change anywhere? A plus B whole square formula?
No, sir.
No, like that, the sine theta also never change. It is fixed formula. Okay, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we take through C, sir.
Through C, if you want to take, here I wrote sine theta, no. I can
Yes,
write
sir.
sine A. Sine A is also correct. Sine A. Sine A
Yes,
means
sir.
sine is defining according to the A. BC
Yes,
by
sir.
AC. If you take sine C, I will write sine C. What is opposite side for C? AB, no?
AB, yes, sir.
AB by AC. Like that it will come. Sine
Yes, sir.
A, sine C. Suppose theta, if you want to take, the theta you have to mention. What is theta? Theta is angle here, angle C, you have to mention.
Yes, sir.
Cos theta is like that. And third
Yes, sir.
one, tan theta is the ratio of opposite side and adjacent side. Opposite and adjacent, that is 3 by 4. So tan theta we can define in another way also. We can take sine theta and cos theta. If you divide, we will get tan theta. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. And cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is cancelled. What you will get?
Opposite by adjacent.
Yeah,
Side.
like this. Okay, no? So
Yes,
tan
sir.
is the ratio of sine and cos. Like that also we can say.
Yes, sir.
But sine definition, the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse to the right angle triangle according to the acute angle. And cos ratio, the ratio of adjacent side and hypotenuse according to the acute angle. And tan ratio, the ratio of opposite side and adjacent side according to the acute angle. Or the ratio of sine and cos is tan. Okay, please take the screenshot for this.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now we are going next to 3 trigonometric ratios. So we have defined sine, cos, tan. Sine theta, opposite and hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent and hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite and adjacent. Now reciprocals of these three I will define. Reciprocals. Sine reciprocal, cosecant theta. We will write cosec. Cos reciprocal, secant sec. And tan reciprocal, cot, cotangent. Adjacent by opposite. Now, totally 6 trigonometric ratios we have defined. Okay, now? Comes.
Yes, sir.
Now, please take the screenshot. These are the 6 basic trigonometric ratios and reciprocals. Trigonometry depends and deals with these ratios only. Trigonometry, immediately we have to remember all these 6 ratios and definitions.
Yes, sir.
So for multiplications, you remember tables, no?
Yes, sir.
Like that, trigonometry means the 6 ratios we have to get. Tables. All right. Now let's go for yeah. This is the right angle triangle. ABC. And it was given angle A is angle C is the acute and B is the 90 degrees. They give you sine theta is equal to 3/4. Find all other trigonometric ratios. This is the question account. Okay. Sine theta is given. Anything they can give. Sine, cos, tan, anything they can give. So first you know the definition. What is the definition of sine theta? What did you write here?
Hypotenuse by opposite by hypotenuse. Yes, sir.
Opposite by hypotenuse. You have to write the definition here. Sine theta is equal to 3/4 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. 3/5 you take 3/4. Opposite by hypotenuse. So you take like opposite side is equal to 3k. 3k. Ratio, if you want to separate, you should write k, Avinash, Akanksha, okay, no?
Yes, sir.
And hypotenuse, you take 5k. Now, opposite in the sense, where should I write? Here I write 3k. And hypotenuse, here I should write 5k. Now I want to find BC now. Adjacent. Adjacent is missing,
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
If you want any one of these short sides, big side, square minus small side, square minus, you have to do none. This is the rule.
Yes, sir.
5k square is 25k square. 9k square 25 minus 9, 16k square. To take the root, you will get 4k. Now adjacent you got 4k. That means you have to find unknown value by using this rule. Okay. Now I will write
Yes,
all
sir.
other 6 trigonometric ratios. First I will write cos theta. Next I will write tan theta. Next I will write cosecant theta. Next I will write secant theta. And then cot theta I will write. Cos theta formula adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta formula opposite by adjacent. Cosecant theta formula sine reciprocal. Means
Yes, sir.
hypotenuse by opposite.
Opposite.
Secant cos reciprocal. Hypotenuse by adjacent. And this is cot is tan reciprocal adjacent by opposite. Okay. Now
Yes,
I have
sir.
to write the values. That's all. The sum is completed. Adjacent, how much I got? 4k I got, no? And the hypotenuse,
sir.
how much is there? 5k
5k.
is equal to 4 by 5. Opposite 5k and adjacent is 4k is equal to 5 by 4. Hypotenuse is 5k. Opposite is 3k is equal to 5 by 3. And hypotenuse is 5k. Adjacent is 4. Adjacent is 3k. No? Here for tan, no, I wrote 4k. That is 3k. 1 minute. Secant to cos reciprocals will come. Tan opposite by adjacent. No, I wrote here hypotenuse. This is 3k. No, this is 3 by 4. Okay, no, right. It's
Yes,
equal to
sir.
5 by 4. And adjacent is 4k. And opposite is 3k. Is equal to 4 by 3. That's all. Sum is completed. Hence, first step, in the given ratio, two ratios will be, two sides will be. Third side you have to find according to the right angle triangle concept. Then after, you have to write all these values. Okay.
Yes, sir. With respect to the theta c, we are taking this, sir.
Yeah. Please take the screenshot. I'm giving some homework. You do. Okay, this sum. Can you do like this?
Yes, sir.
Please take screenshot. This sum, like
Yes,
this one,
sir.
I will give.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no?
Yes, sir. Taken, sir.
Next, I'm writing the question here. If tan theta is equal to 1 second. I have to choose the triples. Tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. Find all other trigonometric ratios. This is the question. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Tan
Yes, sir.
theta is given. So tan theta formula you use and draw the right angle triangle and find the third side. Then you find
Yes,
the
sir.
all other ratios. Understand?
We have to draw the right angle triangle, sir.
Yeah, same like this one you should do. Same like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no? Here unknown side, one side is unknown. You have to find the beginning. I said no. How to find other third side? Right angle
Yes, sir.
triangle. I will show you once again. What is this? Yeah. Have you seen this one? Like this concept.
Yes, sir.
It's the right angle triangle concept. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right.
Theta, we can take any one of that, sir. Either A or C.
Yeah, your wish you can take. That's your wish. If you take C, that opposite will be AB. If you take A,
Yes,
opposite
sir.
will be BC. That is our wish.
If we take anything, we get the same answer,
But don't take B.
Yes, sir.
A and C, anything you take, but answer same will come.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now try it. Tomorrow we shall continue, right?
Yes, sir.